So today we want to talk about the forex market. I want to teach you how to analyze on a bigger time frame, how to see the market direction, how you can tell where the market is going, whether it's going up or down. So today we've got a whiteboard there. So I want to demonstrate exactly. I took my whiteboard from the storage just to show you guys how to see the trend on a bigger time frame. Bigger time frame, we're talking of 4-hour time frame, we're talking about daily time frame, and all those bigger.
We want to talk about the forex market. I want to teach you how to analyze on a bigger time frame, how to see the market direction, how you can tell where the market is going, whether it's going up or down. So today we've got a whiteboard there. So I want to demonstrate exactly. I took my whiteboard from the storage just to show you guys how to see the trend on a bigger time frame. Bigger time frame, we're talking about 4-hour time frame, we're talking about daily time frame, and all those bigger time frames.
Now, for those who don't know me, my name is Clinton Malope. I am a forex trader, full-time forex trader. I dedicate my life into helping you get it right. I dedicate my life into helping you get it right. How to analyze the whole forex market. Now today, I want to show you the precise information how you can go about, doing all those kind of things. Now, I will be using this whiteboard. Before we can even go to the whiteboard, I want you to click the subscribe button so that you can get alerts every time I post a new video. I'm going to be making more videos about the forex markets, about teaching you guys how to master this forex market going forward. Now make sure you click that red button, the subscribe button, and also the bell notification so that you can get alerts every time I post a new video. Now let's go ahead and start. I'm going to be on the side so that I don't become a shadow, so that you're able to see everything on the screen. Now let me just stand up. Now as you can see, this is the forex market. As you can see, don't mind my robot. This is my robot. Now don't mind it, focus on the screen. Now this screen is exactly what I'm going to be taking into this whiteboard. Now when you are analyzing on a 4-hour time frame, on the H4, on a 4-hour time frame, you want to focus mainly on what? On the general trend. You want to focus mainly on the general trend. You want to focus on the general trend. You want to focus mainly on the general trend. Now, when it comes to the 4-hour time frame, the 4-hour time frame is so big that you are able to see where the market is floating. Now, I'm going to be showing you exactly how the market will float. So I'm going to be using an uptrend. Now, this uptrend, it will show you where the market is going and where the market is about to go down. Now, in this example, we'll be using an uptrend. As you can see, it's an uptrend. As you can see, it's an uptrend. Now, you are able to identify that it's an uptrend because there are higher highs, and what? And higher lows. As you can see, higher lows. Now these higher lows, they form an uptrend. Let me just remove this one. Let me put it here. They form an uptrend. When you connect all of them, they form an uptrend. Now, for you to identify where to take a trade on an uptrend, you need to identify. So this will be the first one, right? But then there you are already late. Now you must wait for this one. How do you know this is the one? Every time they come and approach the trend line, this is where you expect to take your bites, right? So you will be buying here, you buy here, you buy here. Now, I want you to take into consideration the fact that this uptrend, it must always have 3 levels. How do you count the levels? Now you see this as level 1, this is level 2, this is level 3. Some call it A, B, C, but that makes no difference because this is one and the same thing. Now, when you count 3 levels, in this case, it's level 1, right? This is our first level, this is our second level, this is our third level. Now, in the trend of an uptrend, since this is an uptrend, right? This is an uptrend. This is an uptrend. Since this is an uptrend, you are able to see that the uptrend, it has ended because we are on level 3. This is how you know the uptrend has ended, because we are on level 3. Now, after level 3, we are expecting the market to break this point. So let me just remove this. We expect the market to break this trend. So they must come and break it. They come and break it. After they break it, they must go back up. But then, they must never pass this point. They must never pass this previous high, so that they come and reject here and go on the downside. This forms an M formation, and then you must come and sell here. This is where you sell. You understand? Remember, this is a bigger time frame, so there will be many candlesticks here. One candlestick represents for our time frame. Now guys, I want you to take into consideration as well that when it comes to this trend, everything happens in a long time. Meaning, this level 1, it can take you 1 week. This retracement, we call this a retracement. This retracement, it can take you 3 days. This second level, it can take you 1 week. And this retracement, it can take you 3 days. So, you are capitalizing on 1 week profit just for waiting for 3 days. So this is where you wait. Then you come and capitalize on a week. You wait, you capitalize, you wait. But because this is the third level, you are not expecting a fourth level. That's how it is. You are not expecting a fourth level. You just wait for this break and you wait for them to come and retest and then you sell. That's how it is. So it's a week versus 3 days, week versus 3 days. So this is how it is. Now, you remember that thing called, let me just remove some of the things here. Now, there is something called risk-reward ratio. We call it an RR. Most of the people are using 1 is to 2. Risk-reward ratio of 1 is to 2. Now, this risk-reward ratio, it resembles exactly the nature of the market. You wait for 3 days to capitalize for 1 week. Now, the 1 week is 7 days. 7 days. Now, 1 week is 7 days, right? 7 days. Now, you must understand something here. When you wait for 3 days, you capitalize profit for 7 days. It resembles exactly that you wait 1 to capitalize 2. You risk 1 to capitalize 2. Meaning every time you lose $1, you capitalize on what? $2. So the nature of how you can capitalize on the forex market, it also resembles the movement of the market. So that's how you must understand the float. You must understand the nature so you can make money. I hope this makes sense. Let me just remove this because this was not the main reason why I wanted to hold this seminar. Now, we were still here, right? After this double top, we call them a double top. You can call it a double top, you can call it an M formation, you can call it a whatever you can call it. But then you understand that these 2 points are almost in the same level. They are almost in the same level. That is why there is this shaded area, this shaded area. Because if the market was to go on the upper side, then it's no longer a sell. Because they broke on the upper side, it means the market wants to continue going up. That's how it is. So if you understand how this thing works, I'm telling you, you are going to make a lot of money. You are going to make a lot of money. Now, let me just quickly explain here. After you've realized that, okay, these guys are going to go down. When they go down, they will use the same A, B, C going down. They must come, retest. This retest is the 3 days. This fall is the 7 days or 1 week. So this one, it will be 3 days, Remember, the 3 days is not compulsory. It can be 2 days, it can take 1 day, it can take 4 days. But then you just need to understand this is a retracement. Now they must shoot where? On the downside. So this is where you connect your trend line. Because this trend line was below, this time must be above. Because this is a downtrend. So up is the same as below. Below. Down is the same as above. So the downtrend, it goes above. In a downtrend, it goes above the market. In an uptrend, it goes below the market, not above, below. You understand? This, we're talking about this line now. We're talking about these trend lines. They go above and below. So that's how it is. Now, from here, you start counting levels. Level 1, level 2, they come and retest and create level 3. Level 1, level 2, level 3. So they count 3 levels. Now, if you are not a holder, you are not a swing trader, you are a scalper, it means you can capitalize on these small moves. You can capitalize on this. And you cannot wait for 3. I mean, if this take a month, these 3 moves takes a month, you can't wait for a month for you to take profit. You can take profit on the first level, you can take profit on the second level, you can take profit on the third level. That's it. That's how it is. Guys, this was as simple as I can put it, how to analyze on a 4-hour time frame. You can use the same thing on what? On a daily time frame. You can use the same thing on a daily time frame. You can use the same thing on what? On weekly time frame. You can use the same procedure. That's how it is, guys. It's as simple as it. This is as simple as it can be. I hope everybody will manage to grab all this information. Guys, feel free to subscribe in this channel because I'm gonna be bringing more videos like this where I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to analyze on your own. I understand, guys. You know, getting information online nowadays is not so easy. It's not so easy. It's not so easy to get information online during this era. But then, if there are those truthful guys you can find online who can teach you stuff like this, make sure that you click the subscribe button. So every time they drop a video, you receive a notification telling you that there is a new video. Immediately, I drop a new video, just like this one. You know. So, guys, I'm gonna bring more of this. Please take care and remain safe, guys. Remain safe during these trying times. Make money in your house comfortably. Love and